In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with managing your accounts or looking to streamline your operations, adding suppliers efficiently in QuickBooks can make a world of difference for your bookkeeping processes. Let's begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll find various options here to help you manage different facets of your business finances. Focus on the section labeled Expenses. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will take you to a page where you can track and manage all of your business expenditures. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you will see several tabs or categories. You're looking for the one labeled Suppliers. Now, it's important to note that if you don't see a Suppliers tab, don't worry. QuickBooks Online sometimes labels this as vendors, depending on your region or version of the software. Both terms essentially refer to the same thing, a list of people or businesses from whom you purchase goods or services. So go ahead and select the Suppliers tab, and here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the suppliers you've previously added. Now let's move on to the main focus, adding a new supplier. Look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see a button that says New Supplier or New Vendor. Both of these options will lead you to the same next step, so click on the one that's available. You'll be taken to a page where you can start entering the details of your new supplier. Here, you'll want to fill in as much information as you can about your supplier. This typically includes the supplier's name, and if applicable, details like their business name, phone number, email, and address. Providing more information here can be beneficial for both record keeping and for making transactions smoother in the future. Once you've carefully filled in all the necessary fields with your supplier's details, the next step is straightforward. Locate the Save button, usually found towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to save the new supplier information. Sometimes, it helps to review the details to ensure everything is accurate and up to date before hitting Save. And there you have it. A simple yet essential task completed. You've successfully added a new supplier to QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial records are more organized and efficient. This will not only help you keep track of your expenses, but also enhance your financial management in a more organized manner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials to help run your business more effectively.